Hello students, one more question for Neet aspirants. This is an expected question for 2025. What is the question? The question is you have a block here and you are applying force of 22 Newton to this block. The coefficient of static friction is 0.4 and the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.3. We have to find the acceleration of the block. If there is any acceleration, maybe the block will not move. That is also possible. So, how to proceed with the question? First of all, let us find step number first. Let us find the maximum frictional force. What is a maximum kinetic frictional force? Maximum static friction. Maximum frictional force static. S. What is that equal to? Of course, we are applying force of 22 Newton. But for that, we have to find first of all maximum static frictional force. And that will tell us कि body आगे जाएगा या एक ही जगह रहेगा या will the body remain at rest or it will begin to move. That we have to see, but for that we have to find frictional force maximum static. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? तो you have the formula mu n, mu sn, and that is mu s. What is n? It is a mg is the downward gravitational force and normal reaction is upwards like this. So this force normal reaction is mg because the body does not have vertical motion. So it is n, that's mg. So f s max is equal to, what is mu s? That is 0.4. What is m? That is 5. And g is taken to be 10 meter per second square. So when we multiply it, it will get, this cancels, it's 20 Newton. So the maximum frictional force is 20 Newton, but you are applying 22 Newton. So first of all, the body will move. So the body will be under motion under the 22 Newton because the maximum frictional force have been exhausted. So I will write here, the body will move, and when the body moves, then what happens? It is the kinetic friction which comes into play. The kinetic friction comes into play. So for that we have to find what is the kinetic friction. So step number 2, kinetic friction. That is Fk. That is mu Kn. The same formula almost, but here it is mu Kn, here it was mu Sn. So it will be mu K, that is 0.3, N is again mg, that is 5 into 10. And that will make it 15 Newton. So kinetic friction here, Fk is equal to 15 Newton. That is the backward, opposite force to this 22 Newton. Now, third step. The third step is, what is the net force? Third step, acceleration of the block is equal to net force, F net, by mass of the body. What is F net? Because now the body is under two forces, forward 22 Newton and backward, that is 15 Newton. So what is the net force? That is F minus Fk by m, that is 22 minus 15 by 5. Right? Okay. Now the acceleration of the block is 22, 15, it is 7 by 5. That is 1.4 meter per second square. That is the answer. This is the expected question this year. And the acceleration will be 7 by 5, 1.4 meter per second square. If you like this question, if you like this, the solution of the question, subscribe the channel and advise others also to subscribe the channel. Thank you.